ladies and gentlemen, here we are, the annual ride. It's $10 round trip. Over here you've got the smaller midway for the young kids.
Wow.
Over there used to be the racetrack, but they've got the concerts over there. So here we are, cruising along at the State Fair. A little rain, but it's nice. Starts getting crowded, but we took the bus. Hell yeah. Obviously go to good old John Deere. Tell him again, tell me. Joe Mauer, we saw Joe Mauer today twice. Hanging out. Joseph, baby Jesus was in the building. I want to thank him for congratulations on his Hall of Fame. And come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. It's like, walk around I didn't see his son, but he had the twin daughter with him. But I don't know. Who knows? Toro, man. The monkey maze. You got down there, you got your Toro local, well, they're a local company that made here, but they're in the same spot. Cub Cadet. I'll do my annual John Deere. I want every lawnmower there.
Look at this one, the girl's sitting in. Nice.
Nice. Oh yeah, those are nice.
Toro.
Yep. Cub Cadet. A lot of those just knockoffs of Toro. That's what that is, just a different paint scheme. Snow blowers. Chevy, find new roads.
I like going to the Sweet Martha's up here because it's less busy.
Right. It takes forever to get on, you know, and then stop on, stop on.
It's no fun.
I get it. You may put that thing together every year.
No.
Little GMC.
Just past Chevy over here.
Yep. Ziegler to my left.
Oh, we missed the morning crew at the Care Barn.
Oh, we did? Oh, okay.
At 10 o'clock.
Find new roads. You can ride it singly. You saw a young lady went by. You can ride it singly if you want it. You have a talk radio over there. The talk.
Everybody's getting a prize.
Everyone gets a prize.
We have sunglasses, we have food towels, we have make sure you get sunglasses and food.
Hell yeah.
Are you registered? Yeah, you see that? All right, step right on up. Go around to these ones. And that you did. Now let's see.
Nick acted like he didn't want to be there.
I know.
The other, I don't know which one it was, was taking pictures across from him.
Yeah.
He looked like he wanted to be there.
Yeah.
Like, put the hood down for Pete's sake.
Yep.
He's gonna come back. He's gonna come back. See? Do it. Do it. Do it.
There you go.
No, wait.
He might have wasted a hat.
Who knows? We'll see. Someone will probably get it, and that's fine. And up here, you got these guys are pretty cool. They do a lot of free, fixed stuff and whatever, making your campers. You got your John Deere over there. There they are. I call this the bra bridge up here, building up here. Got all kinds of fun stuff over here. Those are nice vehicles down there, all-wheel drive. Those are kind of like shuttles, but they're nice. It's a handicap one. It's early in the state fair that
Yeah, there might not be too much.
they get all kinds of stuff on here. What's your name? My name is Sue Ellen.
How old are you? And where are you from, by the way? You're from Minnesota.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you gotta be discreet. You never know who's out there. Don't want to get out of an address. Are you a dog lover, though, Dylan?
You got corn over here. That's maybe a kid farm over there.
That's cool.
Yep.
Do that.
Now look at all those. Jesus.
All the strollers to go into the thing.
Oh.
All right, right over here. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Morgan. How
We got
are
some
you?
corn over there.
You too. Good. And what's your favorite kind of dog, Morgan? It's a doodle. You do another bit. And a beagle. I love it. Come on, give her a hand. Help this, Morgan. All right, now check this out. You girls are going to help us get some of our rookies to jump in the water, and guess what? They're coming up on the stage right now. And guess what, Morgan, since you're the closest,
Yeah, you can see.
dogs you want to have on your team, but I'm going to introduce them here first so you get a little background. You can decide.
Sorry.
All right, we got this
Yep.
lickety split over here.
One
Who's
bra.
jumping today?
One bra, two bra, yeah. Oh my.
Yeah. Lickety
Three
split
bras.
folks is about
Socks,
5
underwear.
He's a rescue dog. We adopted not far from where
Tampon.
we live in outside of
Nice.
Liverpool, California.
Still
He's a
packaged, so
cattle
that's
cat
good.
with
Yeah.
a lot of attitude. Yes, he is. He's a
Cookie.
good boy, though. And then right over
Yep.
here we have a Zeus. Zeus is actually a Jack Russell Terrier. Terrier. Oh yeah, look at it.
You got a bunch of old
Getting that out of his mouth now. All right,
over
now,
there.
Folks is also a rescue dog, and he comes from Florida. We think he's about 4
Tractors.
years old now. We've had him for about a little over a year now. All right. Now, Morgan, which dog would you like to have on your team? Would you
Here's
like
the other
Lickety
end.
Split, or would you like Zeus?
Oh, money. $2, $1.
Zeus
Nice.
is not like your dog on.
Not now, not ever.
Couple hats.
Good luck with Split. That's all I gotta say. Good luck with that crazy one. All right, we're gonna get these dogs jumping here in our rookie round. Each dog just gets one jump into the water. Okay, and here's what's going to happen. The team members here are going to be instructing the kids.
Just stop people can't get off or can't get on.
Basically what we do is take that toy, we toss it out in the water. You don't want to throw it too far, because they might get a little nervous and not think they can jump to it. Because at first, when it first runs, they think they'll jump
Chicken coop.
on it, and if it's too far out, they feel like it's too far and they can't get to it. And if you throw it too short, well, then they'll come up short in the water. So it's important that you just make a good throw. It's a team effort. You pop the toy out, placing it in the water, and it will send it to jump.
All those old tracks are kind of cool. Eye beholder. Used to be a lot of farm stuff up here.
Hence its name.
Yep. Machinery Hill. Some old lawnmowers over there.
Oh wow, look at those. Looks like
Yep.
one Mr. Lundquist used to have,
Yep.
kind of.
Yep.
His might have been older.
Right. The Giants sing along.
No one's singing.
Nope. Army's.
Bet you a lot of people didn't come today because of El Bobby this morning.
This is perfect weather.
No, great. I mean, I can probably take my sweatshirt off again.
Right.
Army National Guard.
Yep. They're always the same spot every year. I'll get the other battery out.
Don't drop it.
I won't. Hang on to that.
My pocket.
Gizmos.
I had something there once. It was okay.
Yep. Those bathrooms were well, smart. Did those. You have your boats.
So when we get off, we'll come up that street.
Right.
Because there's Sweet Martha's,
Yep.
and then there's the wild place over here. So,
Right. All right, guys. Round one in the books.
and then come around, go down this way. Okay?
Yep.
No, I didn't have that. Gizmos, I had this quesadilla.